Ako pag-artista. So, hindi lang pala.
Because isa kang multi-hyphenate. Multi-talented ka kasi. Dapat try nating lahat yan. Pero pansin ko wala ka doon, Robby. Wala. Ikaw yung nagsulat?
Medyo na-offend nga ako ng slide eh. Ba't wala ako dyan? No, pero ang ganda! We're just
Yes,
talking about
ang
it
ganda.
ni Coach Vinny and Ken din. Ang ganda ng soundtrack. It's actually our first time din to hear the whole thing.
Oh, ang
So,
ganda. Sabay-sabay pala tayo. The first time
Yes.
yun. Okay, and now, ito na po ang pinakihintay ng ating mga friends from the media. We will give you the floor. Jella, is this your first time to host a show? Nasagot na natin yan, yes po. And gaano ka ka-excited para dito at kung paano mo masasaksihan ang mga up-and-coming dance enthusiasts na makikilala sa Time to Dance?
How excited. Joke lang. I'm just excited. Oh no, ate. I'm super excited for everyone to see, not just, I don't really, whenever like we talk about it, I don't really make it about me ate. I really don't want to front me. Ang gusto ko talaga i-front dito yung mga dancers talaga. Kasi it's really their show. It's a show for them. So I'm excited for people to see the lives of these dancers na makaka-relate rin sila for sure. And ang dami rin kasing parang hindi siya pilit na drama. And these are lives na we showcase them not to show the pawa effect of the contenders. It's really to inspire. It's really to, we showcase their stories for people to relate to them and for people to feel seen and heard also, especially those in the dance community. Yes.
Yun talaga. Siyempre, mas yung binibigyan talaga natin ng spotlight, yung gusto nating i-promote dito ay yung mga dance contenders natin. Okay. Now, let's go to Coach Vimy naman. This question is for you and also Ken. Having seen you in the past dance shows and segments, gaano naman po ka-stricto ang pagpipili ninyo ng mga next dance stars na hahangaan ng mga manonood dito sa Time to Dance? How strict will you be?
Well, I think this is pretty natural to me, no? Very strict. Very strict. It's extremely strict. Kasi, of course, that's part of, in a way, as a judge, that's one thing that you can indirectly help the participants with their growth. Because you're setting standards, eh? So it sets an example also for them and for the rest of the participants, the contestants, na if they see that what you're looking for is really excellence, then it sends them a message na, okay, I have to push harder. And with that, it helps them grow. So it exponentially, it helps everyone kasi naiintindihan nila na sometimes you need an actual, yung nagsiset ka ng tone para maintindihan nila if I feel like na I've been doing my best already but hindi siya enough.
Tough
Then,
love.
yeah, tough love, and then it wakes up everyone eh. Say, okay, hindi pa pala to. So, ano naman actually, if you keep pushing, then you'll just get better.
Yes, I like that. No? Hindi siya yung stricto for the sake of being stricto. It's necessary para tumaas yung quality ng performance
And
nila.
we see them taking the criticism and leveling up every time.
Wow. So very coachable sila, nakikinig talaga and they're able to adjust.
Yeah, that's why it's very pleasant for us to judge also because we see that they're very open to criticisms. And of course, you acknowledge the good, the really great things that they do on stage or when you see the process. But the fact that they're very open to growth, it sends the message na they're humble enough. Kasi they made it through it. The fact na umabot sila sa ganitong proseso na out of hundreds of dancers, sila yung top 17, top 20, top 10. Kumbaga, it gives you certain pride. But they also understand na may mararating pa basta makinig ka lang.
And we see the growth not just in their moves, pero in their character din.
Which I think is more important talaga in the long run, di ba? The character. And
Congratulations sa buong Time to Dance. Siyempre may pa-tribute na kanina pa kay Jella, di ba? So unahin na natin si Jella. Ayan, nasabi mo na kanina na nakakatuwa na yung na you're doing not just acting this time in dancing and hosting. Pero ano yung feeling mo na meron ka ng kasamang title na New Gen Dance Champ at saka as a New Gen Dance Champ, sino yung dream dance collab mo? Yan.
Sige, I'll start siguro first with the title. Honestly, pag sinasabi po yun, tawag akong New Gen Dance Champ. May sense of hiya po ako kasi I kind of, I have really bad imposter syndrome. Given that I'm also a Nepo baby. And minsan it's hard to believe things it's hard to believe that I deserve things. Because yun nga po, a lot of things were, yun, binigay po sa akin. And I didn't, in my head, iniisip ko minsan na, did I not work hard enough for this? And then I always just remind myself na, no, I'm the New Gen Dance Champ because I am a champion naman po talaga. So, pinanghahawakan ko po yung title na yun. And I'm really grateful, super grateful na binigay po yun sa akin. Kasi, it's such a big title for me, listening to it, just hearing it. It's something, a champion, being a champion is, for me, sobrang, people look up to you. You've inspired people, or you have to continue to inspire people. So I do live by the title now that it's given to me.
If I may, she's very deserving because it's not as if she skipped the line and she did not work hard enough to get to that title. Not the title, the whole team with Jella really worked hard to reach that status na eventually they won the world championship. So she's very deserving of that title.
Thank you, Coach. Yeah, but with yung gusto ko pong makatandem naman, first would be Ate Sarah Geronimo. The first time I watched her dance po live was in Darren's concert last year. And nobody has ever had that same impact on me from the Philippines. So I really, really hope I get to dance with Ate Sarah one day. Another would be Kuya Billy Crawford. He's another dance champion, and I really am inspired by him and have always loved the way he danced. So yeah, those two, and of course, Tito Gary Valenciano. Yes, those three po.
Agree ako kay Coach Bimi na deserving ka because you're giving. Oh, giving.
Thank you po.
And for my last question kay Robbie. Robbie, syempre, nandito kasi isang dance competition. Pinangarap mo rin ba talaga na umataw ng todo-todo kasama siyempre si Jella, si Coach Bimi, si Ken, di ba? Kasi may mga pasilip ka na sa ASAP, at kanina meron. So this time ba itotodo mo na yung dance technique and intensity mo?
Wow! I think pinanghawakan ko po dati yun. Especially when I was part of the Giger Boys. And funny enough, yesterday I just saw San Concepcion. So nakita lang kami for a quick chit-chat lang. But we were talking about it ni Jella. I don't know if it will happen. Hopefully in the grand finals. Let's see. And also, not just in the grand finals, but also sa 30th anniversary celebration ng ASAP.
Wow.
And I personally wish the Giger Boys to be back for nostalgic feels lang doon.
Can't wait for that.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Me too.
Tanong ko lang, sabi nga kung si Jella yung New Gen Champ, ikaw naman highest paid post. Gaano na ba kalaki?
Didikit na sa'yo yun talaga.
Hindi, joke lang. Hindi yun yung tanong ko. Tanong ko sana gaano kamahal bilang host. Pero kidding aside, tanong ko lang, kumbaga, how challenging yung hosting mo dun sa other thing na nag-host ka dito sa dance, time to dance na kumbaga more on dancing, di ba? So makikita ba namin habang nag-host ka may mga party na sasayaw ka tulad ng tanong nila?
Good question, Kuyan. It's more of para sa programang ito, and I'm really grateful for ABS-CBN Studios and Nathan Studios for giving me this opportunity. Also, I'm so grateful for all the creatives, for all of the tech people and staff dahil it's a big collaboration eh. Hindi lang para dun sa dalawang major studios pero inside the studio as well kung saan nagaganap yung Time to Dance. They tell me stuff, especially sila Coach Vivi, Angela, ano bang move to, ano bang genre to, ano bang expect natin para alam ko kung paano ko i-handle yung situation, kung ano yung sayaw, kung anong pwede mo expect. But at the same time, I also have those glasses na puro question marks. And I think kailangan din yon para sa mga viewers, sa audience na ano bang klaseng sayaw yan? Pwede mo bang sabihin sa akin? Bakit ganito yung ginawa mo? O pwede mo explain sa amin para at least maintindihan din ng mga viewers. So, it is challenging, but it's more exciting than challenging para sa akin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hope to see you na mas maraming sayo dito sa Hila. Congratulations ha. We've seen your growth from the time that you act, di ba? Dun sa mga previous mga teleserye mo. This time, hosting. Yan. And dancing. One time napanood ko yung ASAP performance mo eh. Sabi ka talaga magaling tong bata natin, Derek. Pero if given a choice, ano yung mas gusto mo sa lahat ng ginagawa mo? Acting, hosting, singing, di ba? You're singing also. Parang lahat na yata inako mo. Tinalo mo pa yung dalawang kapatid mo, di ba? And ito na nga yung dancing. Ano yung, kumbaga kung may choice ng isa, what is your favorite? At ano yung talagang gusto mong makilala ka bilang Jella Ataide?
That's such a hard question, but thank you. Siguro po, dancing will always be closest to my heart kasi yun po yung nagsimula sa lahat. That's the reason why I am where I am who I am. So I will always give it to dance. But then, first love ko talaga sa totoo lang is acting. So, bata pa lang po ako, nanonood ako ng mga teleserye. Laking kusina po ako, actually, with the Yayas. Halata naman po. But then, with the Yayas, sila po they would expose me to teleseries. Lumaki po ako, nagkukunga rin kaibigan ko si Santino, kaibigan ko si Agua Bendita, tapos si Mommy, nagtatago ako sa kwarto niya kasi kukunin ko yung makakapal na scripts tapos babasahin ko yung mga linya. So, yun po talaga yung pangarap ko. That really is my ultimate dream. But then, upon entering, syempre, I also want to be able to showcase this talent of mine, which is dancing. And I think that ang sarap rin po na makilala bilang isang dancer because it's something I've worked hard for years. But bilang artista, it's something I want to continue to work on pa po. And I know that there's so many things I have to improve on when it comes to acting. And I really want more work in terms of acting, if I'm being honest. Kasi sobrang miss ko na po umarte since senior high and high street. And yun po, it's just, wala po akong masabing favorite, but if you really ask me, gusto ko na pong umarte because I know that that is my foundation. I know that it's something I can always go back to naman po and can still do while acting. Yes, yun po.
Thank you. Looking forward for